Hey, it's Rob at EMPI. Welcome back to What's in the Box. Today, 3 boxes. The limited edition GTV inspired gauges, the set of 50 that blew out literally in a day. They were so popular. You know what we said? Hey, people like these gauges. Let's make some more of them available to sell individually, separately. So I'd like to introduce you to EMPI part number 1412030. This is a voltmeter. This is a 9 to 17 voltmeter. Wiring harness, as you'll notice, is included. So this is ready to plug in and go. EMPI logo front and center. All of these new gauges, just like the limited edition gauges, manufactured by Smiths in the UK. So that is a UK brand that has a long heritage in gauges for brands you might have heard of, like, for example, McLaren, Aston Martin, Jaguar, Porsche, etc. So these are awesome gauges. There's a reason why they're popular. They look sharp. They have that feel of the original GTV gauge with modern guts. So you plug them in, they don't flicker, they're nice and bright. So that's our voltmeter. Next up, 1412010. That's an oil temperature gauge, and that ranges from 0 to 300 degrees. Again, solid state, wiring harness included, by Smiths in the UK, EMPI logo front and center, LED lighting, standard. These are all standard 2 1/16 diameter, so they will fit into EMPI panels, EMPI pods that are all available at your EMPI dealer where all of these gauges are available. Next up, and our final contestant on What's in the Box today, is 14120-0. This is an oil pressure gauge from 0 to 80 PSI, and as you're probably aware, LED lit, 2 1/16 inch, wiring harness included, made by Smiths. So if you love that iconic GTV look and weren't quick enough to get limited edition, now you can add all 3 of these gauges to monitor the health and temperature of your air-cooled engine at your nearest EMPI dealer. So reach out to them today. Don't miss out this time. Get these gauges today.